Hey guys, I want to do a quick video. This one's about ready to go out the door. This is a Timex Ironman dual tech, so it is a analog and digital watch, all stainless steel. Pretty neat little watch. I guess this is somewhat collectible. It's unique in the way that it has two batteries. I know for sure because I had to change two batteries to get this thing running. One for the analog dial, one for the digital dial. And there's a great video already out there that I can link below so you guys can see that. It has the lights do glow. It's hard to see in this light here, but it has a chrono. It's just a cool little watch. It's 100-meter waterproof. Of course, it's old now. Let's get the date on this real quick. This one, the internet says, is May of 2007. It does run. It runs pretty well. It's got the unique, and it's going to be kind of hard to get that to focus in, I think. But let me see if I can get that. There we go. It's got the unique Ironman symbols on the band. It's a nice heavy watch. Somewhat collectible. It's got the Ironman markings on the band also. I guess this was in a movie. Don't know the details of that one. I don't watch many movies, but that is one reason why it's collectible. But came across this. Going to get this one out the door. It sold overnight, so I wanted to get a quick video out about it. I'll take some photos so I can weave them into the video. And there's the case back for those that are interested. That's all we have for today, guys. I just want to do a quick one, show you this video. If you have any comments, leave a comment below about this one, what you like about this one, what you don't like about this one, and we'll leave some information for the people to come by in the future. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.